Welcome to Bike Shift. In today's video, we explore one of the most secretive and futuristic military aircraft projects ever discussed, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. Known by its rumored program name PAC-DP, the MiG-41 is expected to redefine air dominance with extreme speed, altitude, and next-generation combat technology. The Mikoyan MiG-41 is designed as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound. Unlike conventional fifth-generation fighters, the MiG-41 is believed to belong to a new class altogether, often referred to as a sixth-generation interceptor. Its primary role is long-range interception, aerospace defense, and countering hypersonic threats. One of the most talked-about aspects of the MiG-41 is its extreme performance. Reports suggest it could reach speeds above Mach 4, making it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever conceived. The aircraft is also expected to operate at near-space altitudes, allowing it to intercept satellites, hypersonic missiles, and high-altitude targets beyond the reach of current fighters. While speed is its biggest weapon, the 2026 MiG-41 is also expected to feature advanced stealth elements. The airframe is rumored to combine radar-absorbing materials with a futuristic aerodynamic design optimized for hypersonic flight. Unlike traditional stealth fighters, the MiG-41 balances low observability with raw speed and altitude superiority. The MiG-41 is expected to carry a powerful arsenal, including long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic interceptors, and possibly anti-satellite weapons. Advanced internal weapons bays would reduce radar signature, while AI-assisted targeting systems could allow the aircraft to engage multiple threats simultaneously over vast distances. Advanced avionics will play a key role in the MiG-41's capabilities. The aircraft is expected to feature artificial intelligence for mission management, threat analysis, and pilot assistance. It may also function as a command platform, coordinating drones and other aircraft in real-time combat scenarios. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 represents a strategic shift in aerial warfare. Instead of focusing solely on dogfighting, it is designed to dominate the upper atmosphere and near-space environment. Its role is critical in defending national airspace against emerging hypersonic and space-based threats. The MiG-41 remains one of the most ambitious and mysterious aircraft projects in modern aviation. If developed as envisioned, it could become the fastest and most advanced interceptor ever built. Stay tuned with Bike Shift as we continue to track the future of high-speed military aviation.